First of all, we need to turn off our phone, so we're gonna press power button and volume up in order to open the power menu, and then we can tap on power off to shut down the phone. Wait for the device to completely turn off. After that, once it is completely off, you can press the power button and volume down button, and we need to hold these two buttons until you see the fast boot mode. There we go. Over here we can press volume up and down in order to choose a different option, and of course we are looking for recovery mode. Once you see recovery mode, press power button. Wait for the device to turn back on. After that you will see a dead Android logo with the now command text in the middle. There we go. So in this case we need to press and hold the power button, and once you hold the power button, press volume up. So press and hold power button and then volume up. There we go. Now over here, once again, navigate by using volume buttons, and we can choose this option over here, wipe data / factory reset, and we can confirm our choice by pressing the power button. So just press power button to confirm, and then choose factory data reset once again by pressing the power button. And then follow the rest of the instructions that you will see on the screen to finalize the hard reset. Check out this playlist to find more guides, like, comment, subscribe.